This is the Hustler X1 lawnmower. I purchased this last year. I never had a zero turn before, and I got the commercial one because I have a lot of grass to mow and I use it to mow trails, and I actually mowed half the pasture with it once. I absolutely love this lawnmower. It has a Kawasaki engine on it. I have not had a single problem with this lawnmower. The oil is really easy to change. I'll show a different video on how to change the oil because I need to change it yet this year before I winterize it. You just turn the plug, it drips down, and then here's the filter. It has an easy to change air filter on it. Dual gas, 5 gallons on this side, 5 gallons on this side. You use this lever to switch to which tank you want to use. Adjustable seat, has a seat belt. Here's your deck height. It's in 1/2 inch increments going up to 5 inches down to 1 inch, and you adjust it by pushing in and lifting up the lever. This is the control panel. This is hard to start in the cold weather. You do have to use the choke. You do have to have the handlebars have to be in locked position in order for it to start. If you need to access the bottom part of the deck, you can take the screw out and this plate if you want to get down to the deck and the belts. You also can screw these off, and these protectors will reveal the belt. So yeah, and it has a seat belt. It has a seat belt, and I opted for the roll bar. You do have to be careful with this though. It does snag trees every now and then, so you can see I've bumped trees with it. So I will get this started. You put the choke up, turn the key. Like I said, it takes about 5 minutes, 2 to 5 minutes to warm up. It's quite quiet for how it runs. I think it's quiet and it's so fast. I'll show you how it cuts here in a minute. Very nice cut.